Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to build your first desktop app with Python, Tkinter is the perfect place to start. It's the built-in library for creating windows and buttons, and today I'm showing you exactly how to get it running in Visual Studio Code. Let's jump in. First, here's a little secret. If you already have Python installed, you likely already have Tkinter. It usually comes pre-packaged with your installation. To check if you have it, open your terminal in VS Code and type Python to enter the interactive shell, then type import Tkinter. If you don't get an error, you're all set. If it's missing, the most reliable fix on Windows is to run the Python installer again from the official website. When the setup window pops up, click on Modify and make sure the box for TCL/TK and idle is checked. This ensures the library is properly linked to your Python environment. Now, if you're managing your packages through a terminal and want to ensure the bindings are there, you can try a quick shortcut. Open your VS Code terminal and type pip install tk. This will grab the necessary components to make sure Python can talk to the Tkinter library. If you happen to be using Anaconda, you'll want to use the command conda install -c -anaconda tk instead. Once that's done, let's verify everything is working perfectly. Create a new Python file in VS Code and type these two simple lines. Hit the play button in the top right, and if a small window with a few buttons pops up on your screen, you have successfully installed Tkinter. And that's it. You're officially ready to start building your own desktop software. If this quick setup guide helped you out today, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below and let me know what kind of app you're building first, and I'll see you in the next one.